Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. I have an Amazon review. Stay tuned and I'll show you what I've got. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanny. I have an Amazon review for you. I wanted to share this with you. It's a little bit of something different, but I wanted to share it. This company got in touch with me. I told them I'd share their product. So I know some people still wear a face mask. But I know when I was going places, I did not like those masks on me. And this really would have been helpful. So I know going out, I would have really liked to have had this. So I said, yes, I will definitely review it. Because I know some people might be interested in this. This is just a little piece, actually it goes this way, that goes over the mask. And I've got a couple of different masks here. Oops. And I'm going to place them in here. They just snap in. And when I get them on here, now you can see how they fit on different masks, and I will try each of these on and show you how they look and how they feel. I tried the brackets with each mask. These brackets were very comfortable and helped with breathing around the mouth and the nose. So I give these brackets 5 stars. Thank you for watching this video. If you're interested in any of these to go inside your mask, like I said, the link to their Amazon shop will be down in the description box, so you can go check that out. And I thank you so much for watching. Y'all please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet, and click that notification bell. I would love it if you would do that. Comment is always appreciated, and sharing's appreciated. And I thank y'all again, like I said, for watching. Y'all have a blessed day, and I'll see you soon in the next video.